back again at Nexus Merodent, and today we have a very interesting device with us, and the name is a mini lubricating machine. Those who cannot keep for some reason the big lubricating machine, which obviously is one of the best machines, can also get the job done easily with this mini device. It comes with this adapter for a high speed. This adapter is for high speed, and this one can take in all the low speed handpieces, whether it can be a contra angle, straight handpiece, 1:5 implant handpiece, high speed handpiece. Every handpiece can be lubricated easily with this one, and it not only lubricates, it also cleans all the dirt inside. So we have over here a lineup of again our NMD handpieces. This is a straight, contra, implant, 1:5 and a high speed handpiece. So let's begin with a simple assembly, how to assemble it. So all you need to do is pour oil over here and just fix it back, and this part goes into your 3-way syringe. Easily any 3-way syringe can take this part, so it's fitted it. So now what it is happening is your compressor is gonna push the air, and all the dirt and everything is gonna come out. So this assembly is done, and now simply you can just fit this. So all you need to do is just fit this contra angle handpiece and just blow it. Oil it and blow it. Oil it and blow it. Is it clear, or I can bring it over here? Oil it and blow it. So when you blow, see all the dirt from inside accumulated at the head side is gonna come out, and you want to take it out, just press this button and you can easily take this out. So contra angle handpiece lubricating is done. We are going in with the straight handpiece. Same procedure. Oil, blow, oil, blow. Can you see all the dirt? Wherever the dirt is gonna just push it out. So this is done, and the beauty of this machine is very economical. It just costs like 2,000 bucks, and it can save you a good amount of time, money, will increase the life of your handpieces. Most important handpiece, implant handpiece, is where all the blood and everything goes inside. It pushes everything out. Very nice. A must have, I would say. And last but not the least, 1:5 handpiece. This handpiece usage has been increased after the COVID times due to its feature of aerosol production, and also this can be lubricated. Very nice. Right now these handpieces are new, otherwise you would have seen literally a lot of dirt and everything coming out. So this is the procedure. And now the last one, how do we lubricate the high speed handpieces? So this is attachment. This attachment goes here, and we are going to fit this over here. So this is done, and now same method, oil, pour, oil and pour. This is very simple. So there we go. Hope you like this video, and if you're interested in buying this mini lubricating machine, you can find the link in the message box, or you can contact us, Nexus Merodent. We specialize in such small devices which are useful in your clinic, and which saves you a lot of time, money and effort, and bringing to you a very economical device. Thank you so much. Bye bye.